Hey everyone, welcome back to iConcept Phones. Today we have an exciting review of the CMF Phone 1 from Nothing. This is the first phone under their CMF sub-brand and it promises to bring premium features at an affordable price. Let's dive right in. The CMF Phone 1 comes in a sleek minimalist box, staying true to Nothing's signature design language. Inside the box you get the phone, a USB-C charging cable, and some paper stuff. Note that we don't get here a charger out of the box. Let's talk about the specs. The CMF Phone 1 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset paired with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. It features a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED LTPS display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a 50-megapixel main camera, a 2-megapixel depth camera, and a 16-megapixel selfie camera. The battery capacity is 5000 mAh and it supports 33-watt fast charging. It runs on Android 14 with Nothing OS 2.6. The CMF Phone 1 boasts a stunning design with its plastic replaceable back panel, which gives a sturdy feel and allows for customization. It's available in black, orange, and light green, catering to both classic and vibrant style preferences. Holding the CMF Phone 1 feels great. It's sleek, stylish, and has a nice weight to it. Nothing has done a fantastic job with the look here. What's particularly impressive is the ability to change the entire look of the CMF phone by purchasing additional back panels. This level of customization, coupled with unique accessories like the phone stand, lanyard, or card holder, truly sets this phone apart in the market. The CMF Phone 1 features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED LTPS display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant and the blacks are deep, making it perfect for media consumption and gaming. Watching videos and playing games on this display is a joy. The 120Hz refresh rate adds that extra smoothness, which is always a plus. However, it's important to note that the display isn't a 10-bit panel. Despite this, it boasts a maximum peak brightness of 2000 nits, making it easily readable even under direct sunlight. Additionally, the 240Hz touch sampling rate is great for the occasional gamer, ensuring responsiveness during gameplay. Under the hood, the CMF Phone 1 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5G chipset, coupled with 8GB of RAM and either 128GB or 256GB of storage. The storage is expandable using SIM2 slot for a microSD card. This combination ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks, multitasking, and even gaming. Apps open quickly and the phone handles games with ease. However, it's important to note that this isn't a flagship phone, so you can't expect to play at high settings here. For its price range, the performance is quite acceptable. The CMF Phone 1 comes equipped with more or less a dual camera setup on the back, a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 2-megapixel depth camera. The main camera captures detailed and vibrant photos, while the depth sensor helps with portrait shots. If you ask me, there is no need for a depth camera in 2024. On the front, there is a 16-megapixel selfie camera that does a good job in well-lit conditions. Overall, the camera performance is solid for a phone in this category. The phone packs a robust 5000 mAh battery which is comfortably lasts a full day with moderate usage. However, it's worth noting that while the phone includes a charging cable, the 33-watt fast charger is not included in the box and needs to be purchased separately for around 35 euros. In my testing, the battery performance was reliable and the fast charging was very convenient. Though one might debate whether 33 watt qualifies as fast charging in 2024. The CMF Phone 1 runs on almost a clean version of Android 14 with Nothing OS 2.6. This ensures a smooth and responsive user experience. The phone also includes some useful features like an in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock. It's a well-rounded package that enhances the overall user experience. What I really like about this OS is its minimalistic design, featuring Nothing OS icons and widgets that give it a distinct and modern look. It's truly one of the best looking user interfaces on the market. Now let's talk about the price of the CMF Phone 1. It starts at around 200 euros, or to say 199 euros for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage model. And if you need more storage, there's a 256GB variant available for around 269 euros. You can purchase it directly from Nothing's official page or conveniently on Amazon. These competitive prices make the CMF Phone 1 a compelling choice for budget-conscious customers looking for a feature-packed smartphone. So is the CMF Phone 1 worth it? Absolutely. For its price, it offers a unique design, excellent display, good performance, and reliable battery life. The customizable back panels and unique accessories make it stand out even more. However, it's important to note that it doesn't come with NFC. For people in Europe relying on Google Wallet or similar payment methods, this could be a deal breaker. Nevertheless, if you're looking for a budget-friendly phone with a clean user interface and can live without NFC, the CMF Phone 1 is definitely worth considering. Personally, I'll be waiting for the next generation that hopefully includes NFC. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment if you have any questions. See you soon.